This recipe is so easy, it only has a few ingredients and it gives a great result. This is easy Phyllo fruit cups. The first thing I'm going to do is put 2 sheets of Phyllo dough inside each cup. So this is what it looks like. I got it at the freezer section of the grocery store. I've let it defrost a little bit. And you have to be very delicate with it because it's very thin. So all you have to do is scrunch it up and put it in the cup. And I'm going to do 2 because during the baking process they bake down. Just have to make sure you only have 1. And I know it looks like a lot, but it will deflate and it gets crispy. If you want to make your own Phyllo dough, you can certainly do that. I've never done that. And of course the idea is this recipe is so fast. All right, we have butter. I've melted it and we're going to pour some into each cup. This Phyllo dough is also used to make baklava and other Greek desserts. Okay, so I'm going to do 3 different flavors today. I've got some pineapple left over from another dessert. So I'm putting 1 to 2 probably tablespoons inside each one. Okay. Next I have strawberry.
That was my favorite.
Yeah, it was tough. I like the apple one too. And I had made this for another dessert. This was not out of a can. Okay. This I did buy. This is apple pie filling. Next, we're going to add nuts. The amount you add is up to you. Okay, it's ready to go into the oven for 15 minutes. All right. Now we're going to have to wait. All right, let's take them out. So we're going to let those cool for a few minutes and then we'll do the final step. Okay, now that it's cooled, I'm going to add flaky salt to each one. I think it helps with all the sugar. So I'd say just a big pinch. These are easy Phyllo fruit cups.
They're beautiful, and we had these the other night, and wow, they're amazing. Right. My favorite was the strawberry.
And I had the apple also the other night, and this time I'm trying the pineapple.
Wonderful.
Hopefully you can hear the crunch.
Paper thin pastry.
Mm-hmm. I have used Phyllo before, but not in this way.
Really neat. We have to try some other things.
I know.
I didn't realize how easy it was or how it was available as a pastry at the grocery store.
Well, in the package, on the back, it has some recipes. I think there's a website too.
Oh, look. Heirloom tomato and goat cheese pizza. That'd be fun.
I know, that sounds
and
good.
Of course, classic baklava.
Right.
Ooh, prosciutto wrapped asparagus. All right, I see more. I see more Phyllo pastry recipes in our future. Please like and subscribe so Brigita will make a few more.
Right. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. 2 recipes a week. Of course, the recipe is going to be in the description box. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
These will be gone in a minute.
Always been the one who's keeping it cool.
Maybe it's because we didn't have 12.
Others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be